In this guide, you'll learn how to fix iPhone stuck on software update. Let's get started. If the screen has been stuck for a long time, check that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has enough battery power or is plugged into a charger. Next, try restarting your iPhone. For most newer iPhones, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once your phone restarts, go back to Settings, General, Software Update to see if the process resumes. If the update is still stuck, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage and find the downloaded iOS update file. Tap it and choose Delete Update. Then return to Software Update and download the update again. You should also make sure you have enough free storage space since low storage can cause updates to fail or freeze. If none of these steps work, connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC and use Finder or iTunes to update your device directly. As a last resort, you can put the iPhone into recovery mode and reinstall iOS to your computer. But be sure to back up your data first whenever possible. And that's it. You now know how to fix an iPhone that's stuck on software update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.